Hi my loves, welcome to today's video where we are spending time prepping and getting organised for the kids to go back to school. This is what I do to feel like we have everything ready to go and the hacks I use to make the school run mornings go more smoothly. So grab yourself your drink of choice to boost that energy and let's get this done. So before I do any back to school prep and before I go to the shops to get any of the last things that we need, I'm going to go through this box here, which is just some school uniform that the girls have grown out of that was still in really good condition that I could hand down to the younger ones. This has been so handy as it saves us a bit of money if we already have it, and it saves me going out and buying twice. I would take out the items and the sizes that we need, and then the box can go back into storage and the uniform can be washed, ironed, have new labels put in, and then it'll be ready to put away. Then after I know what I'm keeping, I can refer back to the list I have on my phone. I keep a list of all the school uniform that we need and already have on my phone, and then I know what I need to get from the shops. Moving on to a couple of drawers that we have in our kitchen now, which I actually organised out last year, and they have stayed tidy for a whole year. I think because everything has its own place, the kids always know where to put things back to, where to get things from, and it stayed really tidy. And honestly, it is our lifeline for when the kids need to do homework, or we need to help them with something, or someone needs a pair of scissors to staple something. It's just a little area in our kitchen which holds all of our bits and bobs, odds and sods, and it's really handy. Another thing that we keep in these drawers, which I think are really handy, especially if you've got an older child. I bought these for my eldest daughter when she started secondary school because she does walk to and from school and I always wanted her to feel safe, are these key rings off of Amazon. I will leave them linked down below, but you can use them as a torch when you need to, and they also double up as an alarm, so you can pull out this pin bit on the side if you feel like you're coming into any kind of trouble, and it sets off a super loud alarm. So I won't show you the alarm on here because it is very loud, but yeah, it does the job great. So we always keep those and she can take them with her or attach them to her bag. I will also be keeping all of the girls' hair bits for school in these drawers here. So I'm just testing out this container which I got from Home Bargains, just checking it fits, and I'm going to use it to separate out all of their new hair bubbles, hair clips, hair ties, all the little bits that we need to do their hair in the morning for school, because I do it straight after breakfast. So I just find that it is just the best time, and it just saves fussing around in the morning, and especially the little ones, they're kind of a bit distracted with their breakfast, so it just makes it a bit easier to do their hair. Onto getting all of the uniform ready and put away. So I'm just going to iron it so it's nice and neat to pop into the wardrobe. And then I have got these wardrobe dividers which I am using to divide up the days of the week. I love them in this kind of wood looking neutral style. I will link them down below, and then I do have a blank one at the end there that is going to be for spare shirts. The rest they say each day of the week, so Monday all the way through to Friday, and then I'm just going to organise the uniform for each of the kids for each day. So this is for 3 of my girls, and then I'll obviously put in their school jumpers as well. The dividers are just going to help so well to keep everything organised. Everyone knows what piece of uniform that they have to wear each day if the girls want to go and get their uniform themselves. Ultimately, it's a time saver, which is so precious on those mornings trying to get everyone to school. Then I organised in our downstairs cupboard a hook for each child. So we keep all of the coats and bits and bobs underneath on the back of the door here on the cupboard, but I just thought that a hook each would just make so much more sense, so it makes it easy for them to find their school bags in the morning and their school coat and to grab and go, and then also when they get back from school to put it away nice, neat and tidy. I'm then going to organise and tidy out our Tupperware and lunchbox station. It's a bit of a one-stop shop for all things lunchbox. I'm going to take some bits out of there that we don't need to have in there, and then put in all of our new lunchboxes and bottles so that it's all fresh and ready. Then I am going to put our name bands over the bottles. I can't remember where we got these from as I did get them last year, but I will find it and link it below. They are worth the investment as they last such a long time, and you can transfer them to any bottle you wish, wash them with the bottle, and there's no risk of the name coming off. We just absolutely love them. The trusty label maker comes out again as I label some pots to make a toothbrush station for each of the girls. Again, I can leave the link for the label maker down below because it is so quick, simple and easy to use, and I just wrote the names into the app on my phone and it prints them out 2 seconds later. I use these small square containers for each child, and then I put a cup, toothbrush and toothpaste in each of them to be able to use in the downstairs loo in the morning after breakfast. It just makes life quicker, easier and less painless to get out of the door, and no one's arguing over whose is who. And then lastly, I did a big food shop and I'm going to restock the fridge and snack stations full of snacks and lunchbox bits and bobs. I thought these Go Squeeze pouches were a good option for lunchboxes as it gets a bit of extra fruit into them and it's a bit like a dessert.
There's no passion in the comatose, baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep moving like the river goes, baby going down, down.
Then that is the fridge all stocked and ready for back to school, and I am feeling ready and organised. I hope that you've enjoyed this video and I shall see you all again soon. Bye my loves.